In this video, I will show how to cut video in VLC Media Player. So open your video with VLC Media Player from where you want to cut or from where you want to a portion from your video. Like I need a cut of this video or a clip of this video. So right click on it, then open with VLC Media Player. Now click on this red dot from where you want to start cut. If you not see this option here, so click on view and make sure this advanced controls is selected. If it's not selected, so select it, advanced controls. Now click on this red dot to start record from this particular video, and again click on it to stop the recording. Now you will find this cut portion in your PC. So check out this video, and here we have this cut from that video using VLC Media Player, and you will see this information VLC record on this date for this video. You can rename it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.